You ever wonder what would happen if Oprah, Ellen, Jimmy Fallon, and SNL had a baby? Yeah, probably not. I did. And I'm taking that baby and turning it into an awesome show that's going to change your life and the world. And that baby's been busy. He's been working hard. He's got a lot to show you. He's been creating. He's been in the writer's room. He's been filming. He's been doing sketches. He's been drinking milk. Don't worry, it's almond milk. Hey, I'm Scott Brandon Hoffman, aka Brandon AF, and I am the host and creator of the mostly conscious late night show. I'm the dude that delivered the baby that is using Ecamm to make this cool show. The baby's not really old enough to know how to use Ecamm yet, so I'm doing it, but shh, don't tell nobody. I am so honored and so excited to share my journey of using Ecamm on the creation of this show. I loves me some Ecamm. It is such a game changer. It changed my show, my business, my brand, everything I do. It's just mind-blowing, and I freaking love it. And I can't wait to show you behind the scenes and tell you my story and all the things. So stay tuned, because here we go. A few years back, I had a vision, a download of what would happen if Oprah, Ellen, Jimmy Fallon, and SNL had a baby. I was like, who has these weird thoughts other than me? Probably nobody. I chose that to be able to have a container to do everything that I love. I'm a singer-songwriter, spoken word poet, storyteller, comedian, and I love having deep and fun conversations with people and inspiring people. It was a really great idea. And like so many of us, the first iteration of the show was on Zoom. I want to show you a peek of what my old show used to look like before I started rocking with Ecamm. This is the Conscious Late Night Show, and I am your host, Scott Brandon Hoffman. And today, I feel like it's the David Letterman show. I forgot the name of his new show. It's like this guest needs no introduction.
Oh my gosh!
Wasn't that lovely? So awkward. It makes me cringe. The side-by-side, never-ending heads that don't move, that stare at each other and nod when the other person's talking, and you can't do anything outside of that frame. So it was time for the next iteration of the show. I was ready to go. It was going out to millions of people through a private launch, through a joint venture email campaign. We had about 2 weeks left, tight deadline. I had 22 interviews to do. I was committed, and I was like, it'd be so easy to do it on Zoom, right? Let's just go on Zoom. Let's get ready to rock and roll. Then I was introduced to Ecamm, to Ecamm. I was introduced to Ecamm. I found a video, and I was like, what is that? I bought me some Ecamm, dove in, did a little research, some tutorials on YouTube's, set up the back-end studio. Now this is what the show looks like. Hey, it's Scott Brandon Hoffman, aka Brandon AF, and this is the mostly conscious late night show. And there he is.
Let me introduce you to Ed Sheeran. And then Ed was like, I want a rapper to come up on stage and spit with me. I spit this verse, then went right back into his song. You need me, man, I don't need you. You need me, man, I don't need you.
It is this power of music to move our individual units and re-release me, remixed by you, remastered as us. When God hears us turn on and shout, oh, that's my song!
That's my song.
That's
Dude,
my
like,
song.
can I tell you, with Ecamm, I was literally able to turn my show into a Hollywood spectacular TV style show. With the push of a button, I could do 1 shots, 2 shots, showcase a video, book, songs, or music video.
Wow.
And it was amazing without being a tech geek and literally not having one single video up on YouTube. No one knew who I was. I was able to attract amazing big name guests. Our rock star guests include Grammy and Emmy Award winning artists, CEOs, mega New York Times best-selling authors, comedians, producers, influencers, and visionary entrepreneurs that are up to big things. Incredible. People that would normally say, no, who are you, to hell freaking yeah, because they love the idea of this show and they saw the quality of the production. And what's really cool is every single time, literally, while the guest is in the green room and I'm doing my introduction to the show, they start smiling, giggling, laughing. They're so excited. And when I bring them to the 2-shot on the intro, they're just all smiles. They're loving it.
That's a cool intro. I'm sitting here, I'm getting video envy. All the edits and the cool video. I'm like, how do I do all of that?
Wow, this introduction just
bring in the energy right off the bat. Yeah. It's such a great way to connect with your guest and having them know this is not going to be just another static side by side hanging out trying to look cool and figure out what to say next. This is something different. This is something special. Here's a little sizzle reel, a sizzle reel that shows you what the show looks like in some different forms using Ecamm. Brandon AF. Yeah, that's me, yo. Live from the internets, it's the Conscious Late Night Show. Grammy nominated. He's an Emmy award-winning producer all over the TVs. He was on NBC on the American Ninja Warrior. She's an incredible transformational leader, entrepreneur, and speaker. The former NFL athlete.
For the first time in my life, I prayed. I said, God, if I make it out of here alive, then I'll be her.
I studied with a teacher. She's like, I can see your life purpose, but I can't tell you. I'm like, oh, shut up. But I didn't say shut up until after I was going, can you tell me what it is first? We're bringing the cool, hip, and fun to self-help and the heart, soul, and humanity to Hollywood and entertainment.
God told me, whispered, and then shouted, divorce your ego. I literally filed for divorce that day. And by the way, wants to stay married. Here I am. Remember that time in the back seat? You know, hey, you got a couple Emmys.
I'm already having the best time I've ever had on any podcast. Because it's not a podcast. This is a freaking show.
It's an entertainment show, man. Right. Best-selling author of this book right here. Author of this book, actually. Hold on. I'm going to show you the book. When Love Speaks. Welcome, Miss Maya Komarata to the stage. Is that how you say your last name? All right, do your thing. Please subscribe, share, comment, do all the stuff.
I was on with AF.
That crazy.
We couldn't say the F word.
I just want to say how much I absolutely love using Ecamm for my show. It's easy. It's beautiful the way my show looks. The ability to be able to edit on the fly with a push of a button is freaking amazing. The way it blows away my guest. And it's not just that, it's the community and the culture of the people that are using the software, the people supporting us, and also that run the company. Absolutely amazing human beings all around. So I cannot recommend it enough. What I'm trying to say is go get you some Ecamm. Go get you some. Go ahead. I'll wait right here. Did you get it? I hope so. I also want to say thank you for giving me the honor of sharing my journey and my experience using Ecamm and my show. I appreciate you for listening, and I hope to see you inside the Ecamm family community. Until then, I will see you next time. Dance party. Peace out.